Before modern hospitals, before sterile gloves, before anyone thought to maybe wash their hands, medicine was basically a mix of guesswork, vibes, and this might kill you, but let's find out. For most of human history, if you got sick, the treatment options included leeches, mercury, drilling holes in your skull, or being prescribed literal cocaine. Yes, real cocaine. By doctors. In a pharmacy. Medicine wasn't always science. Sometimes it was superstition. Sometimes it was straight up medieval chaos. And sometimes it worked just enough to make people keep doing it. Next, let's talk about mercury, the cure that slowly poisoned you. For centuries, doctors looked at one of the most toxic elements on Earth and said, yes, let's eat that. Mercury was once considered a miracle cure. Feeling sick? Take mercury. Skin issues? Mercury. Syphilis? Definitely mercury. Patients would rub it on their skin, inhale mercury vapors, or swallow it in pills, which did sometimes kill the bacteria, by also slowly killing the patient. Mercury poisoning causes tremors, memory loss, hallucinations, and tooth loss. So patients would show up with symptoms, and doctors would prescribe more mercury, which made the symptoms worse, which led to more mercury. It was essentially a medical feedback loop of bad decisions. To be fair, mercury does have antimicrobial properties, but the margin between helpful and catastrophic was basically non-existent. So the next time you see a warning label that says "do not ingest," just remember, there was a time when that was literally the prescription. And if you think that's shocking, there was a time when going to the doctor for breathing problems might result in them handing you a cigarette. So after all of that, leeches, mercury, skull drilling, cigarette prescriptions, bloodletting, and relaxing medical inventions, modern medicine suddenly feels pretty great. Today, if you go to the doctor, there's a very low chance they'll try to remove your blood, poison you with heavy metals, or hand you something glowing and say, "Drink this, trust me." Medicine didn't become advanced overnight. It took thousands of years of trial, error, and a lot of very questionable decisions. But every strange treatment, every failed cure, and every bizarre experiment eventually led to better science, better understanding, and better care. So the next time you get a vaccine, a routine checkup, or even a prescription that actually works, just remember, there was a time when the alternative involved leeches and optimism. History is weird, medicine is weirder, and somehow, humanity survived all of it.